Hello friends, welcome to Secret of Electronics. In this video, we will learn how to control a LED using Python-based software and a Arduino Nano board. We will also learn how to receive data from Python using the Arduino IDE and a Arduino Nano board. In this circuit, you can see that a LED is connected to digital pin D13 of the Arduino Nano board through a 220 ohm current limiting resistor. We will turn this LED on and off using a small Python-based software. This Arduino code controls a LED connected to digital pin 13 of a Arduino Nano board based on commands received by serial communication. The code begins by declaring the pin number 13 for the LED and initializing a string variable command to store the incoming command. In the setup function, the LED is set as a output using pin mode function, and serial communication is started with serial.begin 9600. In the loop function, the code constantly checks if data is available to read from the serial port using serial.available. If data is available, it reads each character using serial.read function and builds the incoming command character by character. When the new line character /n is encountered, it checks if the build command is either on or off. If the command is on, then the LED is turned on by setting the pin to high with digital light function. If the command is off, then the LED is turned off by setting the pin to low. After processing the command string is reset to a immediate string to prepare for the next command. This process allows the user to control the LED's state remotely through serial communication. Now connect the Arduino Nano board to your PC using a USB cable. After connecting, open the Arduino IDE and load the code file, which you can download from the link provided in the description. Once the code file is opened, select the correct board and port. After selecting the correct board and port, upload the code to the Arduino Nano board by clicking the upload button in the Arduino IDE. This Python code creates a graphical user interface using the Kinter library to control a LED connected to a Arduino Nano board by serial communication. It begins by initializing a serial connection to the Arduino on the specified port COM3 at a baud rate of 9600 with a delay to stabilize the connection. If the connection fails, a error message is displayed using a message box. The program includes two functions, turn_on and turn_off, which send on/n and off/n commands to the Arduino through the serial connection to control the LED's state. If the Arduino is not connected, a error message is shown. The GUI window features a dark gray background and is designed with a title and three buttons, turn on, turn off, and exit, each styled with modern flat designs and color coded for functionality. When the buttons are clicked, then the corresponding commands are sent to the Arduino or the application exists. The program ensures the serial connection is closed properly after the GUI exists. Now connect the Arduino Nano to your PC using a USB cable. If you have already connected the Arduino Nano to the PC, that is fine. If your Arduino Nano board is connected to a different COM port, do not forget to replace COM3 in the Python code with your specific COM port. After updating the COM port and connecting the Arduino Nano board, run the Python code in VS Code. You will see a small window with three buttons. The first button is for turning the LED on, the second button is for turning the LED off, and the third button is for closing the application. When I press the turn on and turn off buttons, then the LED turns on and off accordingly. When I press the exit button, then the application closes. If you liked this video, do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel to watch our upcoming interesting tutorials.